Yo, what's up? Got a new pickup here. Now, these aren't Jordans, but if you're a sneakerhead, you'll know what these are. Air Foamposite ones. Cough drops. Nike. Right. Foamposites. Cough drops. Let's see. I don't know, you can't really see because of the laces. There you go, cough drops. Got it on the back too. So we got carbon fiber in here, and on the outsole, and on this side too. Black and red. Nike Air logo in the sole. You got like this booty kind of thing inside here. Red and black heel tab, and you got this one on the front too. Really like it. It's kind of like a, I don't know, kind of some kind of black. Might look gray on the camera, but it's black. Let me see what the color says on the box. It says black and varsity red. So black and varsity red, but it's like a flat black, but there's like kind of a gloss, like a metallic sheen to it too. So there you go, the Nike Foamposite 1 cough drops. Really nice shoe. Alright, Air Jordan. Because I'm used to, because I've been buying a lot of Jordans lately. Sorry. So, Foamposite 1 cough drops. Alright, comment, rate, and subscribe.